Good evening, students. Today we start our discussion topic from the page number 47, changing font. Children, do you know what is font? Font is the type style which gives the facility of typing a text in different types of character. With the help of font, you can type matter in English, Hindi and other languages. Now, changing the font. We can change the font in several ways. One is using font dialog box or keyboard shortcuts and using formatting toolbar. In your computer books, they are given different type of steps to changing the font. To changing the font, first select the text whose font is to be changed. Next, click on the down arrow to the right of font type box. A list will appear. Now choose and click on the font types as you required. Now click on the down arrow to the right of the font size box. A list will appear. Now choose and click on the font size. So children, you can also change the font with the help of font dialog box. The font dialog box provides all the character formatting options in one location. To change the font with the help of font dialog box, the steps are: select the text matter to be changed to the new font. Now click on font button at the side corner in the font group on Home tab. The font list is displayed under Font tab in Font dialog box. Scroll it up and down using the scroll bar at the side of the list. Your text is probably in Times New Roman at the moment. As you click on different fonts, the appearance of the selected fonts is shown in preview box. Keep scrolling through the fonts until you find the one that you want to apply. Now click on font that you want to apply. Click on OK. Selected font will be applied in your document. Children, you can also change the bold, italic, underline, font size and text positioning with the help of font dialog box. In the font dialog box, you can choose the font for the text. And in the font style list box, choose the font style: regular, bold, italic or bold italic. In the size box, choose the size you want. Choose a color for the text from the font color drop-down list. In the underline box, choose the underline style you want. There are 9 types of underline styles available, and they are single, words only, double, dotted, thick, dash, dot dash, dot dash, wave. In the underline color box, choose the color for the underline. You can also select an special effect from the effect group box by selecting the check boxes. MS Word includes different type of the font effects. The effects are strike through, double strike through, superscript, subscript, shadow, outline, emboss, engrave, small caps, all caps, hidden. So children, in this way you can apply different type of formattings with the help of font dialog box. Next, page number 48. Color. To change the color, first select the text to be formatted. The text will be highlighted. Click on Font Group on Home tab. Click on the down arrow to the right of the Font Color button. A list of available color will appear. As you click on a color in the palette, the text will be appear in the selected color. In this way, we can apply different type of the colors in our document. Next, aligning the text or the alignment. Alignment is the way in which text is placed between the margins of a page. Alignment is the way in which text is placed between the margins of a page. There are two types of alignments. One is horizontal alignments and another is vertical alignments. There are four horizontal alignments. They are left, right, center and justify. The left alignment. The text is flush with the left margin. The right margin is uneven. Left is the default horizontal alignment. Right. The text is flush with right margin. The left margin is uneven. Center. The text is centered between margin. Justify. Text is spaced so that both left and right margins are even. Vertical alignments also four types. This is top. The top is default vertical alignment. Text begins below the top margin. Centered. Text is centered between the top and bottom margins. Justified. Paragraphs are spaced to fill the page between the top and the bottom margins. Bottom. If the text does not cover the full page, then the text is aligned at the bottom margin. So children, you can use keyboard shortcuts to set paragraph alignments. Alignment left, Ctrl plus L. Center, Ctrl plus E. Align right, Ctrl plus R. Justify, Ctrl plus J. I repeat again, align left, Ctrl L. Center, Ctrl E. Align right, Ctrl R. Justify, Ctrl J. Next, indents. Indents is a temporary left or right margin for lines or paragraphs. There are 5 types of indents: left, right, double, first line, hanging. The left indents text from the left margin. Right indents text from the right margin. Double indents text from both the left and the right margins. First line indents just the first line of a paragraph from the left margin. Hanging indents all lines but the first line from the left margins. With the help of ruler, you can set the tab and indents of the text. If ruler is not visible on your screen, go to View tab and select Ruler options from it. Then set the ruler mode on. Select the paragraph. Move the indents markers left or right and view its effect on the text visible on the screen. Next, spell check option. The spell check or spelling and grammar options is very popular features of MS Word. These options provide the facility of checking the spellings and rectifying the incorrect spelling of a document. Children, you might have noticed that when you are typing some text in MS Word, you get red or green wavy lines under some words. Any words which is not there in the MS Word dictionary is marked as misspelled. This includes proper names, technical terms, etc. MS Word checks spellings and grammars as you type. A red wavy lines indicates that either the spelling is incorrect or the spelling may be correct but the word is not there in the MS Word dictionary. A green wavy lines indicates grammatical errors. So you can check the spellings of words in an entire document or in a part of a document. To check spellings and grammars, you can follow the steps. First, select the text whose spellings or grammars is to be changed. In Proofing Group on Review tab, click on Spelling and Grammar options through mouse. The Spelling and Grammar dialog box appears. First, the recognized words is displayed. First, the unrecognized word is displayed in the Not in Dictionary text box. Suggestions are displayed in the Suggestions box. You can choose from the following. Click the correctly spelled word from the suggestions list to change the word. Click the Change button to change the word. Click the Change All button to change the word in the entire document. Click the Ignore Once button if no correction is needed. Click the Ignore All button to continue checking the documents but leaving all instances of the highlighted word unchanged throughout the document. Click the Add to Dictionary button to add the word to the MS Word dictionary. On clicking the desired button, the spelling checker takes the action and then highlights the next unrecognized word. Then click the OK button. In this way, you can check the spellings and grammars in MS Word. Next, use of Tasers. A Tasers is a Tasers is a list of words in groups of synonyms, antonyms, and related words. The Tasers can help improve your vocabulary as it provides a list of synonyms for the words you are looking for. After typing a document, you may need to find words to express meanings more accurately. The Tasers can be used to replace a word with one of its synonyms. To apply the Tasers options in your word, first select the words which is to be changed by using Tasers. In Proofing Group on Review tab, click on Tasers options through mouse. Alternatively, press Alt and click the word whose synonyms you want. The result will appear in the Research taskbar. To use one of the words, point to it, click the down arrow and then click Insert or Copy. And children, you can press Shift plus F7 to use the Tasers. You can press Shift plus F7 to use the Tasers. Next, adding a picture. Children, you can also add picture or clip art in the MS Word documents. To apply a picture in MS Word documents, first place the pointer or cursor at a place where you want to insert a clip art. Then click on clip art in Illustrations group on Insert tab. Clip art pane will appear. Move the pointer to picture, a drop-down list will appear. Now click on Insert option and close the clip art pane. As a result, the selected clip art will appear in the document at the selected place. Next, creating a table. Children, in your book, page number 54, there are given two methods to creating a table. You can apply any one method. To create a table, first click on Insert tab. Click on Table icon in the Tables group through mouse. A list will appear. Then click on Insert Table options. The Insert Table dialog box will appear. Now specify the number of rows and columns required. Now a table will be created in which you can type the desired matter in any column or row by placing the cursor there. So children, in the next audio we will discuss about the exercise and this question and answers. Till then, goodbye.